You're watching the Tish 21.
Alright guys, so last wash and a little bit of pump gas fill up, top up just before we put it away for the winter. This thing was a blast to drive up until winter, but unfortunately it just keeps giving me issues with the exhaust leak, so I have to get that fixed. So we're going to be sending it off to Dyna Motorsports to get that taken care of. We're going to have the HR flanges cut off, and we're going to have V-band flanges welded on, so no more of this exhaust leak bullshit. But goddamn guys, look at that blue shine, nasty. But yeah, I can't wait to get this thing running absolutely at full power. We still haven't felt it at full power, so just imagine what it's going to feel like when this thing hits full power. I still haven't barely even felt 800 wheel, because even when we were running the 800 map, it was still leaking boost like crazy. So I'll give you guys an update as soon as I can. Alright guys, what's going on? So we're taking the G for a little drive today. It's the first drive I've done in almost a month because this car's just been sitting. The weather here has been absolute shit. So first thing, as soon as I started up the car, it wouldn't even start. It's just E85 sitting in there for too long, and the temperature wasn't good, so the car wouldn't start. Finally got the car idling, and then it started overheating. The coolant in the reservoir was overfilling. In my head, I'm like, oh yeah, I lifted the head for sure. But then I took a better look at it, and it was because we had ruptured a coolant line that was kind of hanging near the headers. So I replaced that coolant line and bypassed it completely, and because we don't need it. It was the coolant line for the throttle body, which is not needed anymore. So I did a little bit of coolant bleeding myself, and right now the car is running really good. Coolant temperatures are steady. I lowered the E85 content down to E54. That's still around like 800 something wheel or 800 wheel, assuming everything's running correctly. First thing I noticed was we still have a massive exhaust leak right now. So that's like the most important thing. As soon as you have an exhaust leak before the turbo, all your boost just leaks away. You can't build peak boost. It doesn't even pull 100%. So the car is still running great. Like, I'll do a little bit of a hit right now. So it's making around 18 pounds of boost. It's pulling great. Car's still driving plenty fast, but it's just not going to be 100%, and it sounds like shit right now because of the exhaust leak. But it seems like it's running okay, so I guess I'll make this into a video and let's see how it goes. I'll do some pulls for you guys to see. Fourth gear feels good, especially after like 7,500 RPM. It's pulling really strong. Go. Oh. What? Oh my goodness. I'm on your bucket.
insane, bro. Literally sucked up into the seat.
That was just fourth gear. Making some power right now. You're getting some of the experience. That's crazy. Oh my.
gather boost, it's like fucking crazy.
Wow. That's nothing. It's not making full boost.
That's like my Tesla.
Yeah, the leak is way too crazy right now.
Yeah.
That was not bad.
That's fucking crazy.
That wasn't bad. That's so slow as fuck. Like, bro, if you felt this car at full power, you'd have lost your mind. You'd have lost your mind, I promise you that one.
I'm already scared.
You'd be like, yeah! Like, I'm telling you, this is nothing. This is making half the boost. Half, bro.
Bro, you don't know how scared I am. It's still scary, though. I don't know why.
It's because of this noise, right?
Yeah. No, but it's also maybe because, like, I'm the passenger.
Yeah, that's the difference.
Maybe that's why, I don't know. And you've had this car for a long time. I haven't been in this car in a long time.
Everything's changed.
Last time I've been in this car, it was probably like, it didn't even have a turbo, I think.
I don't even think it had a supercharger.
Yeah.
It used to have a supercharger before the turbo.
Yeah.
It's probably like bone stock.
Yeah.
Last time you rode it.
So it's still...
Probably just had an exhaust on it.
The experience is still insane.
Yeah. For you, you never experienced this kind of...
Exactly.
Yeah.
So for me, this is still pretty crazy.
It's like, most of it's there. The sounds are there. As far as the experience is there.
Yeah.
The only thing missing from the experience is like the sheer, just like being sucked into your seat.
Yeah.
Flying at like ridiculous speeds. that's what's missing. Like the turbo can't spool. Because all the pressure is just leaking out of the exhaust.
Right.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.